how to become a CheapOair affiliate and start earning commissions promoting flights and travel deals online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote flights and travel deals is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the CheapOair affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. CheapOair is a global travel booking platform where travelers can search and book flights, hotels, and vacation packages at competitive prices. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the CheapOair affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone books a flight or travel service through your affiliate link on CheapOair, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting travel deals and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliates.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment so you can start today.